Panasonic AC auto turn-off problem, causes and solutions. Your Panasonic AC keeps turning off due to issues like a dirty filter, coils, low refrigerant, thermostat problems, or overheating, often indicated by a blinking timer light showing an error code, like H19 for fan motor or H14, H23 for thermistors. Simple fixes include cleaning filters and checking the thermostat, but complex problems, refrigerant leaks, PCB faults, electrical issues, need a professional technician to read the error code and diagnose the specific problem. DIY checks, easy fixes, dirty air filter. A clogged filter restricts airflow, causing freezing or overheating, clean it regularly. Thermostat issues, check batteries or settings. A faulty sensor can cause shutdowns. Oversized unit. If it cools too fast, it might short cycle, turn on, off frequently. Professional fixes, contact a technician. Low refrigerant, leaks, causes frozen coils and low pressure, needs professional topping up or repair. Overheating compressor, can stem from dirty condenser coils or low refrigerant. Electrical problems, loose wires, control board, PCB issues, or faulty capacitors. Panasonic error codes, blinking timer light. Panasonic units have self-diagnosis. The blinking timer light signals an error code. Check button. Press the pinhole, check, button on the remote for 5 to 8 seconds. Scroll. Use the timer up, down buttons to scroll through codes. Beep. The unit beeps at the correct code, e.g., H19 for fan motor, H14, H23 for sensors. Consult manual. Look up the code in your manual or call a pro.